Welcome to all. Today we discuss about the Pope reel inspection methods. Normally, the paper has been grouped classified as writing and printing and board, that is called paper packaging, and another one is specialty papers, tissue, Yankee papers, like that. So one by one we discuss about the Pope reel inspection. The quality assurance person or the laboratory person, those who involved in the testing methods, he should aware about the popril build-up, popril surface characteristics. But normally, the paper sample has been rolled out by mechanical manner and sent by vacuum to the and blow by blowing to the paper testing area. Nowadays, due to the computerized operating system and the sophisticated system, the people, they are not interested to watch the popril build up, popril observation and surface defects. This practice has been followed by all the type of mills. It should be avoided. It is not correct. I request all the paper makers, whether Sipton George or QC person or laboratory person, should go to the Pope reel in person and visualize the surface defects. It gives a great idea about the wet end system functioning. First, we take the grimo or writing and printing or copier paper. Please see the roll build up. Please put the hand in the Pope reel. Please make the slight rubbing on the Pope reel. You can touch the Pope reel and you can make the sound like this. Sound like this. It indicates the GSM variation, moisture in the particular area. You can feel like this. The sound will differ. You can do the same thing after rewinding itself by using a wooden hammer. By visualizing the parent roll, you can see the surface defects, specks, sieves, dust, any other foreign material, any other calendar breaks, any other sticky matter, press uh, lumps, paper lumps, any other calendar blackening, you can find out in the popril itself. And also you can see the roll built up. Roll built up is directly proportional to GSM variation, caliper variation, moisture variation. And also in writing and printing, the surface defects are calendar blackening, calendar marking, press coating. You can visualize the things. These are the important things. Another thing is, if it is color printing, color variety, you can see the color changes in front of the Pope reel. Then calendar blackening is very important for colored variety. If it is Yankee paper, Yankee drier streaks marks, you can visualize in the surface of parent roll. Another important, if it is tissue, you can see the specks and size. The tissue paper should be free from specks and size and dirt. Another thing is, if it is a coated paper, duplex coated paper, the normal practice is size press mark or blade coater mark. Then uneven moisture. Then sometimes the coating missed in the particular area. You can visualize the coated board parent roll. You can keep your hand like this. You can move front and back, front and across the decal. You can feel the coating effect of on the surface, coating effect on the surface. So I request all the concerned persons, not only laboratory persons or QC persons, the paper maker, the shift in charge or manager, those who are directly involved in the process, kindly see the parent roll surface, each and every parent roll. But normally, nowadays, a lot of meetings has been arranged in pulp and paper industry 10 to 11, 11 to 12, 12 to 1, 1 to 2 production meeting schedule, all the things. But I request the meeting should be arranged to discuss the points, but the process will tell, the process will focus, the process will give the great idea about the previous day's operations. I request the laboratory persons to visualize the parent role operation. I request QAD person also, please go the parent role and see the surface. Each and every role should be visualized by the QAD and laboratory persons. And another thing is, I request the paper maker and shift in charge or any other concerned person related to production, don't force to pass the paper, defective paper quality. But normally it is practiced in pulp and paper industry. If quality persons and laboratory persons, if they reject the paper, reject the final product due to some of the reasons, but it is not accepted by the production team, they will simply tell, please pass the paper. If any customer complaint comes, we will manage. Like that, they will reply. It is not correct. Please more attentive on quality. Please give more importance for quality and laboratory and R&D operations. If it is not correct, if it is not meet the required specification, or if it is not meet the required norms, please don't pass the paper at any cost. So this is the practice should be followed throughout the mill. But normally it is not practiced in any pulp and paper industry in India, because of they will tell simply it will be sold because of more demand is there. It is not correct. But the quality and consistency is very very important for each and every mill to sustain in the market. So I request the concerned person, don't push up the laboratory and QAD person to pass the paper. If it is defective, please be positive on that, take the necessary action. So I request to watch the, to see the surface area of parent roll. It will give you a great idea about your wet end operation and paper machine operations. Each and every role give you a very good idea, very good information, very good knowledge about your wet end and paper machine operations. Please keep touch with parent role. Thank you. Keep watching this channel and subscribe and share. We will meet soon.